Hey friends, welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this super defined twist out using just a couple of products and an easy technique. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm starting off by just parting my hair how I want it to fall. And then I'm just going to section it for easy manageability. Next, I'm just going to apply my leave-in conditioner and massage it throughout my hair very lightly. I want to layer my products, so I'm starting off with just a light layer of leave-in conditioner and then another light layer of oil. The heaviest layer will be my styling product, and I'm just going to section my hair into a medium-sized section. Then I'm going to apply about a dollar size amount of my styling product. For today's twist out, I am using NAPTUAL85’s Melanin Twist Cream. If you want to see my full review on this product, I will leave it linked up below. The first time I used this product, I used it on steamed hair. So my hair was kind of dry and lightly moisturized with steam. This time I'm using it on freshly washed damp hair, so I'm really excited to see my results. So after I apply the product, I then split that medium section into two sections and twist each section very tightly. I like to feel the twist or the braid to feel smooth between my fingertips. If it doesn't feel smooth, then I go ahead with my brush and detangle the remainder of the section and then continue to twist, if that makes sense. So I don't like my twist to feel frizzy or bulky. I like it to feel silky while I'm twisting it, and if it doesn't, then I just brush out the section and continue to twist it. So you'll see me looking up a lot. That's just because I'm watching TV. I was watching the reunion of Love and Hip Hop New York. And honestly, I don't know if it's just me and getting older, but these shows are just ridiculous. So I was watching the reunion, and you might see me making some faces, like frowning my eyebrows, because Safari and Rich Dollars, like I just couldn't. It was really irritating me. But that's what I was watching. I like to watch TV while I do my hair because it just makes the time go by so much faster. I always get asked how I achieve my twist outs, and I'm so happy I was able to do this video finally. But some tips: if you have thicker, denser hair, I do suggest that you do your twist out on either wet or damp hair and use some sort of butter or cream to style the twist or to set the twist. If you have finer hair, I suggest you use a mousse or some sort of foaming product. That way your hair is not weighed down by all the butters and the oils and all that, but you'll still have the opportunity to set your hair with that type of product. Another tip, if for some reason you've tried that and it didn't work, maybe you have a lot of different textures in your hair, then try blow drying your hair. Blow drying it so that all your hair is now the same texture, and then go ahead and twist. And when you twist, twist tightly. Don't twist loose, because the tighter you twist, the more definition you get. And if your ends don't curl, because your ends can make or break this style. That's one thing. So if your ends don't curl like this, which one? These are just juicy. Let's give that a moment right there. Those are just juicy curls. But if your ends don't curl like that, you can always add perm rods to your ends to get them to set in a curl pattern. That way when you take it out, you'll have those curly ends. I let my twists dry overnight, and you see now they have shrunken, which me personally, I don't mind. It's warmer outside, so I really didn't want anything too much on my shoulders. So I went ahead and applied oil to my hands and just rubbed them over my twists just to prevent any frizzing, unnecessary frizzing. Then what I do is I take the twist, I twist it the opposite direction of my original twist, and then I start from the ends and I take one of the sections and I kind of just unravel that one section while I hold the other section. I hope that makes sense. I'm trying to keep my definition and not create any unnecessary frizz. And this product has my hair so defined, I can't figure out what sections I've already untwisted. That's why you see me like searching for a twist to unravel, because all of it still felt like it was still twisted even though I had already took the twist out. That's how defined this Melanin twist cream had my hair. So this time around, as you saw, I created twist plaits instead of flat twisting my hair. And there was a reason for that. I need to get my ends trimmed. And I find that when I do flat twists and my ends need a trimming, when I take it down and I begin to separate it, I get very frizzy results. So this time around, until I get my trim, I went ahead and just did plaits, which are really easy and anyone can do. I will definitely make another video showing you my flat twist and how I achieve definition from the roots all the way down to the ends. So these are my results fresh out of the twist. I haven't separated them yet, but I wanted you to see how defined my hair was after takedown. Look at those curls. Yes. The front of my hair doesn't really curl like the rest of my hair. I do have a looser curl texture in the front, so it always takes a little effort to get the front to curl, but look at that. So pretty. I swear, the shine. I feel like the camera and the lights aren't really doing much justice to the shine as well. My hair was very soft and moisturized. It was a tiny bit damp at the roots. I do recommend for the best twist out results to make sure your hair is 100% dry before you take the twist out. That also helps with reducing frizz. But I was ready to take these twists out, so that's just what I did. And here's the definition on my left side. Yes, I was super excited. So cute. So now what I'm going to do is just separate, and here are my results from separating. I did go to the bathroom to be all up in the mirror to separate because I wanted to make sure that I was separating each section without frizz. I'm trying to explain it. I was trying to separate each section as gently as possible, so I like to be all up in the mirror, and I can't really do that on camera. If you want to see how I separate my twists, just let me know. These are my final results, and of course throughout the week my hair will get bigger and bigger, And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, as well as hit that bell button so you're notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.